implementation radar graph in Angular application. We can see that and the graph on my browser, and this my agenda today, implementation radar graph. And let's start. Create a new project and open your Visual Studio Code and create a new project and implementation radar graph.
And project location is that inside D drive and Angular, and we can see that here Angular graph demo application. Select this one project like that, and we can see that project has been imported here in Visual Studio Code Angular graph demo, and you can see that here all files are showing here look like. And right now open this project in new terminal like that, and cd src, and now run. Firstly check this project like that, and we can see that here project compiled successfully, and we can see that here project compiled successfully. You can see that here, and open your browser just like it, and refresh 4200 port number, and we can see that Angular graph demo application has been compiled and run successfully, and this application has been compiled successfully. And after that, next step is that in this project I want to implement and graph right now. And so first one step is that we have to need install some basic package like that. First one is that npm install save ng to charts. Just copy this one and paste here and enter, and we can see that here, and the ng2 charts package has been added successfully, and we can see that here. And after that, second step is that npm install save chart.js. Copy this one and just paste here like that and enter, and we can see that here chart.js and edit 3 package and we can see that here chart.js package has been added successfully. And next step is that we can see that here, and chart module add in my module.ts just like here, and open your app and app.module.ts and paste here chart modules, and after that copy this one and paste here. We can see that here, and we have completed 3 steps. Step 1 is that npm install save ng2 charts, and second one step is that chart.js 2 package has been installed, and third one step is that inside the app.module.ts we have add chart module. This part has been completed, and right now, and I will be implement graph.
And you can see that here this running application, in this running application, and we will be implement radar and radar graph in Angular application. Let's start, and open our Visual Studio Code, and this my project here. In this project app.component.html and app.component.ts, and implementation radar graph. Let's start, and this my HTML part, and just copy this HTML part. Where do you want to implement graph in your application, and in particular HTML page you have to paste this HTML code. And I want to implement this graph on app.component.html, and I paste here this code, HTML code. And you can see that here in this page, and I have written component related code, and just copy this one and paste here app.component.ts and Ctrl S for saving. And now explanation of my component code like that. First one step is that import chart data set and chart type and radio and chart ng2 chart js basically used for label purpose. And step first one is that, and radar chart option, and declare like that responsive true. And after that, chart label, in this label we define some labels value like that, and drinking, eating and sleeping like that, and which one value I want to show on my graph and mention inside the in labels. And second step is that enter radar chart data, and data bind here, you can see that here, and data binding here. That means two part has been completed. First one is that label and what I want to showing on the label, and second step is that data, and third one step is that, and you know that very well, constructor and geounit, and define all component most of the case. But my focus on that is that data and label, and we have already defined the label for graph and also data. Two steps has been completed, and after that creating a graph. And second step is that when I click on the graph and generate any event, and we can get value particular clicking on the graph. And for below I have written two functions, and chart click and second chart hover. That means two events, and the first one is that when I click any chart, anywhere I want to click, and then I get any event, and we can get any value, and then like that, and on hover. That means in this graph main focus is that label, and which one value showing on the label, second is that data, and third one is that performing event. And now we can see that here compile successfully application. Now open your browser, and we can see that here on my browser application runs successfully and graph showing on my browser. And thank you so much watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe channel and like this video.